Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll discuss about LifterLMS notifications. So basically, LifterLMS notifications are either email or passive pop-up message that shows when a certain event happens in your LifterLMS site. So first of all, I'll visit LifterLMS and settings. Then here you will get this notifications option. We have to click on here. And here is all of our notifications events that are available in LifterLMS. So notification can go to a course author, students, or some other papers. So here we have the all notifications. So for example, you can see here we have these events, and if we select any of these events or any of these events occurs on your website, that time your student will get a pop-up or an email, or your author will get an email. So for example, if I show you some example, if we select this enrollment option, and here you can see in this enrollment notification we have basic and email options. So if we select the basic one first, so here is the basic pop-up. That means when someone will enroll in my course, they will get a pop-up. So here you can see the title, and here you can see the body. You can add some merge course on the title or on the body. You can organize the body or in title. But LifterLMS already worked on here properly. So you most of the time you don't need to modify anything. You can just add some random text or something. So this email pop-up will be visible when student will enroll in your course. You can add an icon. And here you can see the subscribers, and we selected students. That means when students will enroll in my course, they will get this pop-up. You can select author or any options. So let's see how actually it works. So subscribers is the main option here. You have to select the proper subscribers. So this should be for students, that we selected students by default. So now if I show you the demo here, so first of all, I will copy my course link and I will open it on a private window. So as you can see, here is the course, and I am not enrolled in this course yet. So I will first enroll it here so that I can see the enrollment pop-up or other options. So first of all, I will add my email address. Then I will add the password, first name, and I have to add the last name as well. As this is a pre-course, I have to just enroll here. So if I click on enroll, see now on the right side here we have this course enrollment successful pop-up that we have created. So this is the by default one. So your student will, when someone will enroll in your course, they will get this pop-up. So if we see that here is the same title, enrollment successful, here is the same body. So this is how the basic pop-up works, that if you the certain events happens on your website, they will get a pop-up or email. So you can modify the body text or anything, you can add something else. So if we visit the notifications again, to make sure it's student is selected here. So if we visit notification again, and if I will show you the enrollment email option as well. Oh, I want to mention one thing, that as you can see here, we have student email notification email as well. So if I click on here, on this email, student email notification. So when someone will enroll in my course, they will get this student enrollment email notifications, and the subscriber is student for here. So that means student will get an email as well for this student welcome. So as it's my test site, I don't have any email configuration, but I have installed a third-party plugin that will help me to see the email log from the backend. So here you can see the email body. You can organize the email body, subject, or heading. So now if I show you the email log, that how my student can see this email on their inbox. So I use WP Mail login plugin for this email log. So if I open that, so on the plugin section, you get it. I installed it from my WordPress dashboard. So here is WP Mail login plugin. I will click on email log. So here is the email. You can see the receiver name, subject, and email. So here is the receiver name. And if I open this, if I view this, so here you can see the email. Then let's get started. Hello and other things, the body. Here's the heading. So if I visit my email, student welcome email notification settings. So here is the email, and you can see the same heading. Let's get started. Student name and the body same as well. Here is the body. Here's the body portion. So when they will enroll my course, first they will get the pop-up for enrollment, and then they will get an email for the student enrollment email. So if you don't want anything, you can just on the subscribers option, you can just untick that. But I want it, so it's already properly working. We have this complete lesson option as well. For example, if a student complete a lesson, they will get a pop-up. Here is the subscribers is on the student. That means student will get this pop-up. So when they will complete a lesson, so first of all, I will complete a lesson here first to see that how the lesson complete notification pop-up works. So I'll just click on mark complete. From the right side, you can see here's a lesson complete pop-up that we have on our backend, and student can see that on their front end. So here is the option. So we have many other options. For example, the achievement earned, a certificate earned. That means when they will complete, they will get a certificate. They will get a pop-up there. We have payment retry schedule, upcoming payment, and we have many options. We have this private areas option. For example, when you will create a new private post, they will get a pop-up. So if I show you the basic one, so here is the option. So when you will create a new private post, your subscriber student will get a pop-up that, hey, here is your new private post. And we also have the email option here as well. You can see here this. We have the email option as well, email notifications option. So this is here. This will also get the student that on their email that, hey, here is your new post, private post is available, something like that. So we have many options. You can choose any of these events as per requirements. We already have properly built in. It's already built in properly, so you don't need to touch on anything. But if you want to modify anything, you can do that. So have quiz rating review. That means when you will complete a quiz, you will get a pop-up. Also, your author will get an email that, hey, your student has completed the quiz, you have to review it. Here you can see the subscribers is course author. That means the course author will receive an email that your student have completed this quiz, you have to review it. This is how the notification actually works. We have many events. You can organize this as per requirements. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.